Hi everyone and welcome back my YouTube channel. How are you friends? I hope you are doing well. So dear friends, today I am back with a very beautiful and very useful collection of decor. In this video you will see the very wonderful home decor design. I hope that you are gonna love these collection. All the decor design beautiful, so stunning and classy. That after watching this video I hope that you are gonna love all the decor design in this video. You're gonna love this video. These designs are so nice. These are basically for home design and this is the best collection for them. So just watch this video till the end. So you will get many ideas, many designs from this video. I hope that you're gonna love these main get design ideas collection just like you to love the other collection on my channel precious collection. Your positive feedback tells me that you are loving my video and my video are useful and helpful for you. So just visit my channel and check the other home decor ideas on my channel. If you can see different type home decor ideas on my channel, these gate ideas very beautiful and useful and you love all these ideas in this video. I hope that you will love these classy and stunning gate collection. If you are loving these main gate decoration ideas in this video, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, and if you have subscribed my channel please do also click the bell icon. So after clicking the bell icon you will get notification of all of my videos and you will never miss any video and collection on my channel. And friends, I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. Then don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was the design of this gate. For those people who love to modern gate ideas, this is the best collection for them. So please, if you are loving these designs, support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. Thanks for your appreciation on Precious collection. So thank you so much guys for watching this video for more ideas, for more collection, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends.